Primetime news this evening. Relief. Mother of alleged child killer reacts to her son's demise. Teachers at Kingston High on edge after recent attack by student. And NIS pensioners to receive increased benefits.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Special welcome as well to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Coming up in business news, businesses urged to embrace the digital economy.
And sports is next, and Spencer Darlington has a preview of what's coming up.
Thank you, Archie. Well, the semi-finalists in the Jamaica Premier League, the Ray and the Nephew Jamaica Premier League, have been decided, but one of the eliminated teams is crying foul. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
Thank you, Spencer. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we are asking, what do you do to take care of your mental health?
Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us, the news in detail, right after the break.